Do you invest hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars in defining your vision, designing culture, and launching training workshops only to find that most of it doesn't stick? Studies show that only 10 to 20% of what people learn in classroom or online trainings translates into real on-the-job action, and people forget 75% of what they learned within just 6 days, if it's not applied. But most programs stop after training. No reminders, no practice, no monitoring, just a disconnect between knowledge and action. That's where Nudgeable comes in. Nudgeable is first-of-its-kind, behavioral science-based action management platform built to close the knowing-doing gap by converting your theoretical knowledge into real, concrete, on-the-job actions. Actions that your people can take in their meetings, their one-on-ones, and right within their daily flow of work. Each week, these actions are delivered directly to your people via email. They choose the actions they prefer, decide when to do them, and with a simple click, confirm the outcomes. And we don't stop there. We nudge people to turn successful actions into lasting habits by repeating them. Your people can track progress privately in a confidential dashboard, and you gain real-time insights on which teams are taking actions, what's working well, and know exactly where to intervene. And if your priorities change, you have the flexibility to easily update these actions from your control panel. Imagine finally being able to see measurable behavior change in your people and build the culture you want, one action at a time. Request a demo today